Lesson 4. Let's subtract. Hi children, you have learnt in class 3 about subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing and without borrowing. Now you will learn subtraction of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers with and without borrowing. Subtracting without borrowing. Example 1. Subtract 46,253 from 87,986. Solution. Arranging the digits of given numbers in the place value chart and subtracting column-wise, we get 41,733. Explanation. Step 1. Subtracting ones. 6 ones minus 3 ones is equals to 3 ones. Write 3 under ones column. Step 2. Subtracting tens. 8 tens minus 5 tens is equals to 3 tens. Write 3 under tens column. Step 3. Subtracting hundreds. 9 hundreds minus 2 hundreds is equals to 7 hundreds. Write 7 under hundreds column. Step 4. Subtracting thousands. 7 thousands minus 6 thousands is equals to 1000. Write 1 under thousands column. Step 5. Subtracting 10 thousands. 8 ten thousands plus 4 ten thousands is equals to 4 ten thousands. Write 4 under 10 thousands column. Subtracting with borrowing. Example 1. Subtract 38,564 from 75,413. Solution. Step 1. As 3 is less than 4, we borrow 110 from the tens column. 13 minus 4 is equals to 9. Step 2. We have 0 left in the tens column, so we borrow 100 from hundreds column. 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. Step 3. Again, 3 out of 4, which is less than 5, so we borrow from 1000 from thousands place. 13 minus 5 is equals to 8. Step 4. Since 4 out of 5 is less than 8, we borrow 1 10,000 from 10,000's place. 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. Step 5. Now subtract the digits in 10,000's column. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Finding the missing digits. Example 1. Fill in the correct digits in the boxes. Working rule. Minuend minus subtrahend is equals to difference, or difference plus subtrahend is equals to minuend, or minuend minus difference is equals to subtrahend. Hint. First, in the ones column, 3 minus 2 is 1. Second, in the tens column, 8 minus 5 is 3. Third, in the thousands column, 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. Fourth, in the 10,000s column, 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Word problems. Example. The population of town X is 66,829 and the population of town Y is 83,267. Which town has greater population and by how much? Solution. Since 83,267 is greater than 66,829, town Y has greater population. To find how much more population town Y has than town X, we subtract population of town X from the population of town Y. Population of town Y is equals to 83,267. Population of town X is equals to 66,829. On subtracting, we get 16,438. Thus, the population of town Y is more by 16,438.
Framing word problems. As in case of formation of word problems on addition, we use different word problems for each of the number sentences in case of subtraction. For example, for 86,326 minus 68,943 is equal to. Two word problems can be A. The population of a town is 86326. If the number of men and women together are 68943, find the number of children in the village. B. Find the number which is 68,943 less than 86,326.
Mixed word problems. Example, in 2013, 44,852 tourists visited Delhi. In 2014, 2,37,018 tourists made a visit. In year 15, 4 lakh tourists visited. Find the increase in number of tourists in 2015 than in previous years together. Solution. Number of tourists visited in 2013 is equals to 44,852. Number of tourists visited in 2014 is 2,37,018. Total number of tourists visited is 2,81,870. Number of tourists visited in 2015 is 4 lakh. Tourists visited in previous years together is 2,81,870. Increase in number of tourists in 2015 than in previous years together, 1,18,130. Subtraction by estimating. Example, estimate the difference of 687 and 828 by rounding off each the nearest hundreds. Find the actual difference and check your estimation. Solution, rounding off the given numbers to the nearest hundreds. 687 is rounded off to 700, 828 is rounded off to 800. Estimated difference is equals to 800 minus 700, which is equals to 100. Actual difference is equals to 828 minus 687, which is equals to 141. Difference 141 minus 100 is equals to 41. The estimated difference is close to the actual difference, so our estimate is correct.